quick drive. Quick drive testing the new mount or the GoPro. Just spent the last 5 minutes scraping the car of bloody frost. Yeah, quite unbelievable. I felt cold this afternoon, but didn't think it was that cold. Thank God for Ford and their heated windscreens. Absolutely pumped. So it's getting cold bloody hands. Right, well, about 8:15 Christmas Day. Everyone's gone. So I thought I'd come out just to have a little spin round. Oh, even got me back and heated seats on. Let's have some warm in my arse. Come on boys, let's go. No going mad tonight because it's slippery as hell. So, a bit of sensible driving. Still feels a little bit strange speaking to myself and having it recorded by a camera. However, this is something I will get used to because I do speak to myself quite often anyway, just that usually nobody's listening. In fact, even if the missus is sitting next to me and I'm talking, she doesn't listen either. So, nothing new there then, really. I hope you'll take the time to admire my rather bright white light in my dash. Slightly different to the usual ST. And a bit of blue theme. I won't put the music on today. It's just there in the background, so I doubt you'll even hear it. Yeah, this is Ipswich. Little drive round up the Nacton area, and all we've got up here is basically traffic lights. Traffic lights here, there, and friggin' everywhere. It's taken age to change all those signs tonight. Been quite lucky. Look, they've all gone quite quick. So that's a little bit of a result. So we'll just have a little gas round. Got an absolutely mega full tank of gas, which, as anybody who's got an ST will know, that's essential because it drinks like a fish. However, not quite as bad as some of the other cars I've had. Yeah, this seems to do about 20 to 23 on a gallon, regardless of what you do to thrash up, tickle up about, or whatever you seem to do. Excuse me while I'm having a puff. Again, I have a puffer in the old pocket there. Can't say I miss the smoking after several years of using this vapour. Very nice. Oh, in fact, today we're on strawberry and kiwi flavour. Rather nice little tang. Do much prefer the fruity flavours myself. Right, I'm going to shut up for a minute. Just have a drive. Oh, it's very slippery. Starting to pull off to the right hand side there. Oh, it's caught. Yeah, it really is slippery tonight. It's a bit unfortunate. That would have been nice to have come out on Christmas Day, as there's very few people about, and actually put your toe down a little bit here and there. But that'll have to wait for another day. I don't know if you can even see me on this camera. Pitch black. But I just wanted to see what it was like recording essentially in the dark. Well, anyway, that's Christmas pretty much over. Got some nice stuff, including the GoPro that I'm now recording on. Along with some different mounts, and hopefully there'll be pop there. Hopefully there'll be some small videos following along shortly, and once the weather gets better, we'll be doing a little article on my son's facelift ST, which we've been working on for the past few months, putting everything as chav on it as we possibly could. Again, if you were to take a look on my site, carjunkiestore.com, you'll realise that yes, we have in fact called my son's car the Chav Wagon. Gold bowler wheels, Maxton spoiler, the RS copy, Zunsport grill, we've got gel badges in the seats. He's pretty much, well, almost come to the end of doing it, to the point where he now wants to sell it, move on and buy himself something else. And after a semi-terrifying test drive in a BMW 235 with him and some poor unfortunate sales rep who almost shit his pants while we were having a test drive, my son, well, in fact the sales rep said to my son, "Go on young man, put your foot down a bit," which is well, crazy really. My son followed his words and absolutely floored it, and we almost ended up in a ditch, ate the back end of Ipswich. Yes, he was going slightly too fast pretty much everywhere he went. So however, that was enjoyable, and we did both just say that's just a damn shame we didn't have that footage actually on camera to forward on so everybody could watch it. That would have been wholly entertaining for most people to watch, I think. Just be glad you weren't sat in the back of the car like I was, virtually crapping my pants. But again, that was fun. My son thought that was hilarious, and all he said was, "Well, come on Dad, you were in the back, I had to show off a bit." Which is fair enough. I remember doing much the same to my dad, the same, but even so, that would have been nice maybe to have been a little bit more calm about it, if for nothing else, just for the sake of the sanity of the old poor sales rep from the garage. His only reply was, "You buy it, or you break it, you buy it." And then he said nothing else. He just literally sat there, white knuckled, and yeah, and just tried not to look out of the front window. There you go. That is a drive with my son Tony. A horror ride every time you get in the car. But, there we go. That's youngsters for you. He's only 23. And this is his first fast car that he's ever had, after having a little Fiesta Z-Tech S. He then jumped into a car with about 300 horsepower, and yeah, surprisingly enough, he soon got addicted to the power, and I don't think he even knows what the inside lane is on dual carriageways. He just goes in the outside lane and hoons it pretty much everywhere he goes. But again, I have been there and done that myself, so that is half the fun, I suppose, of having hot hatches and fast cars, really. I'll shut up for a moment and just let you enjoy the view, if you've in fact even got one. Poor old boy there, defrosting his car. But he wished he had a Ford with a heat windscreen. Kiwi do love that. Usually I'm on the strawberry milkshake, but a friend of mine from work called Jess was nice enough to let me have a sniff of her strawberry and kiwi flavour, and yeah, thought why not, give it a bash. It smelled lovely. Although surprisingly tonight you can't hear very much of the car. I've got the window closed, which I usually have open, because that's where I've got the GoPro mounted. And if I open that window so you can hear the exhaust popping and banging, you're going to have a footage just of the club box. So fuck it, you'll just have to stay where you are. And in fact, I'll open the driver's side a bit and freeze me knackers off so you can actually hear it a little bit. But again, that's not going to be loud because I'm not actually thrashing it about tonight. So sensible evening. Christmas Day. I haven't seen a copper yet, but they are probably about somewhere. Another little note, as I was told when I bought this ST, because I'd read that the drive shafts were a little bit shit on these. And the fella I bought this off, who was very knowledgeable about STs, he said whatever you do, get in and automatically turn off the traction control, because that's one of the things that actually helps bugger up your drive shafts when you put your toe down. So ever since then, both me and my son Ty, we get in and we turn off the traction controls. So basically, if you put your foot down and it spins, that's exactly what you get. There is no help from the car. You literally just wheel spin and veer all over the road, but you don't fuck up your drive shafts. So I would highly recommend that, because they're not the cheapest things to buy on an ST. They are a pain in the arse, and when they go, they wobble like hell. So be warned. Turn off those traction controls the minute you get in the car. Alright, now as I said, this is only going to be a quick little drive round. Me and Ty are going to be out tomorrow, hopefully weather dependent, and hopefully get some nice shots of his car, so I can get an article up on my website. And also get some drive-bys of this car and his, so we can just start getting some more posts up on YouTube, and just see how we go on there. As I say, he's going to be in for a new car soon, so we'll have everything that we do to that listed and shown on there. We'll do some how-tos. If you've got some requests for anything, anything like that, you can ask us, and if we're capable of doing it, we will have a bash and we will show you what we're doing, how easy it is, or how easy it is to cock up. 50-50 chance, to be honest. So yeah, it'd be worth tuning in for. As I say, we've had a few good laughs. Fucking love that cold pop. Come on. This car does roar. Got most stuff done to run about 335 horsepower. Again, you've probably seen one of my other videos up on there showing the engine. I will go through like the full spec list for the engine at some point, because I'll put a video up, just put any commentary on, just basically put a bit of music on, and just let everybody enjoy looking at my engine bay. But there will be more. We will be doing far more very soon. So hopefully, oh, I can't see that bloody wall. Oh, I need a turnaround driveway. Where is that wall? Right, we're now reversing in. Excuse that, that's just my Oh, fucking now I was close. Very close. But I'll give you just a quick listen. Let's have a little pop there. Just a little one. You can have that. Right, I'm signing off. I'm going in. That's feckin' 3 and 8.